Hey, Amy, thanks for jumping on a call with me.
Hi.
Really appreciate it. Would
Yeah,
you,
thanks for having me.
absolutely, would you do me a favor and just tell us a little bit about your business?
So I started learning custom embroidery in November, so only like 5 months ago, and taught myself what I could. And then next thing I knew, I had orders for hundreds of knit beanies that I
Wow,
had never stitched before. So it was kind of trial by fire, and I learned um, how to do them and made a good sale with my first order there, and have just been taking orders ever since, whatever I can find customers that want.
tell us what kind of machine you run.
I started with a Highland 4-head machine, and I just recently upgraded to a ZSK for it.
Oh, right on. Congratulations.
Yeah, I love it. The thing's
That's
great.
awesome. Right on. And so you've been in the Embroidery Business Accelerator now for almost 2 months, going on 2 months. Can you tell us a little bit about the coaching in the program?
Coaches are great. They've all been in the business for several years at least, some much longer, and they have tons of knowledge that they are very happy to share with everyone. They freely give their information and then give that much more when you ask questions.
Awesome. That's so awesome. I'm really happy to hear that. And so what's the group environment like with the other students and like the messenger we use and that sort of thing?
Everyone's super friendly and supportive. There's never been anything negative said back and forth that I've seen ever. So everyone's very encouraging to each other.
Awesome. That's really cool. And could you tell us about something you've learned from the coursework? Is there anything that sticks out to you that's been valuable?
I think my weakness for sure is the marketing end. And Chris, you've been great with that.
Thanks,
Just
Amy.
giving us general ideas about that and very specific ideas too.
Awesome. That's so awesome. So cool. So if somebody was thinking about jumping into our Embroidery Business Accelerator, they've got a big machine, like you, or they're trying to get some traction, what would you tell them?
Definitely, if you can swing it, do it, because there's a ton of great information there that will help you more than recoup the cost of the coaching by far.
Awesome, Amy. I really appreciate that. So cool to talk to you. I really appreciate you jumping on the call, and I'll be seeing you later.
All right. Thank you very much.
Yeah.